Happy birth week, guys! Hi! How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having an amazing day today. Happy birth week to me! Yay! Alright guys, so it is 10:56 a.m. and today's activity that we are going to do, we are going to go play ATV and mandi sungai with the family. And I'm so excited. It's just going to be me, Mama, Kak Yong, Kak Farah, and Mel. It's just going to be a girls trip and it's going to be super fun because like last time we went ATV for the first time ever was at Tiarasa for Papa's birthday. So I really want to do it again because I really enjoyed it. So we're gonna do that for birth week. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a really super chill vlog. You just come along and enjoy the day with us. So first I have to pack my bags because kita nak pergi mandi sungai. So we have to bring extra baju. I think I'm gonna bring this bag with me. Okay, so let's bring towels and extra baju. Alright guys, so we have Kak Yong. Hi. Welcome to birthday. Welcome to birthday. We got Kamar. Welcome to birthday. Welcome to birthday. We got Mama. Welcome. We got Mel. Welcome. We got Mama. Welcome. So we are gonna do exchange ugly phone cases. But it's so sad because Kak Farah is supposed, not my Kak Farah, my other Kak Farah was supposed to join and be in this thing, and she was already in this thing. Tapi she had some family emergency, so she couldn't make it. So siapa yang Kak Farah dapat tu? Sorry lah, kesian lah pula kan. This is my phone case. Okay. And then also Hakim got Kak Farah. So Kak Farah is not here, so he can't give his phone case. Yeah, but we'll show Hakim's one. Where is it? It's inside his bag. Ta-da! That is so funny. Oh my god.
Dia kata dia nak mama dapat weh. Dia kata I wish mama dapat.
Dia macam ada tu.
Macam dia peluk you. I wish mama.
I got it.
Apa you bagi?
Are you ready? Oh my god, it's so ugly.
Oh my god.
1, 2.
Oh my god.
Ada lalat
No,
sekali.
I have to bring poop everywhere. Oh my god.
Okay, you got it.
I got water. Alright. Okay. I keluarkan. Ikan siap kat goreng ya.
Okay lah, nanti di sungai boleh lah.
Kan.
Alive boleh lah.
Ikan siap kau. Goreng cili api. I dapat payah. Apa tu? Oh my god. I dapat mat. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that is so scary.
Itu nak pergi masuk hutan.
I don't know. Dia tak dia buat apa? Dia create sendiri.
Hah? You buat sendiri?
Sebenarnya I beli manicure lagi besar tau. Manicure besar tau. Lepas tu
You tak order ke case?
I order manicure besar ni. Dia stick kat belakang dia punya tu. Lepas tu dia tercabut. Lepas tu ada gam cabut lagi. I buat sendiri lah. Lepas tu dia pakai doll Sofia. Sofia. Oh my god. Mami, why you use my doll? Nanti birthday you bagi balik.
I kena return balik guys.
Nanti birthday you bagi balik.
Wait, who you got? You got me?
No.
Then?
I got Hakim.
Kak Farah dapat Oh, so I don't have an ugly phone case. Alright guys, where are your phone cases please? Oh my god, that is so...
Tapi dia ada rambut.
Comel lah.
That's cute.
That's comel.
Ugly lah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go makan first before we go play ATV. Yes, pakai. We're gonna go makan first and I'll talk to you guys in the car. Kak Farah,
Yes.
are you excited to ATV? You pandai terbawa.
Of course. Hello.
Whoa. You see? Wow, I love your poop casing with the lalat. I love the lalat.
God. Ew. Lagi buruk.
Right now, we are in the car and we are gonna go makan padang on wheels. But this time, we're gonna go to the KL one, and I've never been to the KL one before. Have you?
No.
No one has ever been
one.
to the KL one?
It's our first time.
Save that. So excited. Let's go. Out of 1 to 10, I am like a 7.5 hungry. You?
That's so low.
Huh? Really?
Yeah. I bagi 8.5.
You?
Hungry eh?
Yeah.
10.
Wow.
So hungry.
11.
Whoa. I'm hungry because I rasa I baru bangun kot. Sebelum I baru bangun, I tak lapar.
Sebab kita orang tak makan breakfast. We are not a breakfast person.
Oh, we are not breakfast person.
Mami.
Aku pukul 11 Mama saya. Kita paksa. Sebab salah pukul 12.
Terpaksa.
Usually 7 AM you dah bala, Mami.
Itu orang yang ajar.
Mama, please, you are such a breakfast person, Ma.
I'm not a breakfast person.
Eh, wow, tengok Kak Farah paling lapar. Kak Farah yang paling lapar tau. Wow, it's so big, the place. So big.
Boleh naik tingkat 1, meja nombor 35, waiter saya tunggu kat atas.
Okay.
Wow, it's so nice. Wow.
Happy birthday.
Cantiknya. Wow, that's actually so cantik. Look at this. Welcome to birth week. Aisha's 24th birthday. That's so nice. Look. So many flowers and candles and I love this. You boleh bawa ni?
Tahu lah. Cuba tanya dia.
So nice.
It's so cute.
Yeah, it's so cute. I love it. Ni I betul-betul surprised. I have no idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have no idea. It's so cute.
It's so like you, coquette.
Coquette. Guys, this is all of the food. So banyak options. Okay guys, so this is all of our food. It's so banyak. Mama order everything. We got ayam and nasi. Gulai. Alright guys, so we're done eating and I want to do a OOTD. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. We got a Alo punya black top, and then we got Lululemon pants, and then I got my Lululemon bag, and then just some flats. Okay, Kak, your turn.
Okay. My turn. I got mimpi kita top, dark tudung, gentlewoman bag, Bangkok pants. Like that,
Okay.
you know? And then I got Decathlon shoe.
Okay. Come on, your turn.
Okay, my top is from TikTok. Pants Bangkok. And then shoes from
Adidas. Okay, so Kak Yong did snacker box. Show what's inside the snacker box.
Okay, so this is tempeh chips,
Okay.
fish skin,
Okay.
gummy,
Okay.
chocolate chips.
Okay.
Ni veggie straw.
Okay.
Ni truffle chips.
Uh-huh.
Ni ketam chips.
Uh-huh.
Apa tu? Nuts. Coklat kat dalam kacang.
Sedap.
Ya.
Kak Farah macam anak you, Kak Yong.
I know, right?
Tengok je
Dia yang minta snacker box.
Guys, I was supposed to make my snacker box, but I forgot. You didn't remind me, Kak Yong.
I ingat kau, you ingat.
Kak Yong, right now
Eat my
at
snacker
this
box.
time, I am
Masih
so
di sini.
grandma. I can't remember. Ma, rasa Ma.
There's something, there's one smell yang macam
fish.
Oh,
Fish, yeah.
You should eat fish.
Try this.
Ni ha, fish you yang smell.
I want gummy. Thank you. Wow, baguslah you ni. You bawa snacker. You bawa apa, Kak Farah?
I bawa diri.
Alright guys, so we are on the way to ATV. The best driver ATV I think is personally is me. Kak Farah, you're still going to langgar kan?
No.
Atau macam like terjatuh ke apa
Mama kan? Itu.
So we're still on the way to ATV. I told them I want to nap, but they said wait, don't nap. They want to show me something. So okay, what is it?
We have pre-birthday gift for you.
Wow! Okay. Now?
Yes, now.
Okay.
Now, first.
Wow, Korean rap.
Yeah.
Kita suka.
Okay. You nak siapa?
You nak siapa dulu? You pilih.
I nak Kak Farah punya.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Wow. Kenapa buat sekarang? Okay, so this is pre-birthday present. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's so cute.
You can wear it.
Oh yes, I can wear
Masih
it.
you boleh match dengan Kayong.
Ta-da!
So cute.
Okay.
So cute.
Okay, thank you, Kak Farah. I love it. Okay, next, Kayong.
Me.
Amazing.
Oh, besarnya. This is not cake in bowl.
Oh, dia nak
Ada dua. Okay, baby.
What is this? Oh my god! Guys, look! It's my Lotso backpack.
Ada lagi satu. Ada.
No, I wanted this. It was in my cart, but I didn't check out. How you know? How you know I wanted this, but I didn't check out?
Ada lah. So, hari tu kan you tunjuk I juga. Remember? You show, I have this in my cart.
Ya Allah, Kak Yo cakap, Mel, please make sure dia tak check out. Mel, please make sure. I punya I dah
because
beli.
you tunjuk kat I juga. Pasal macam, janganlah dia check out malam ni, Mel. Make sure, Mel.
Is that why you wanted to see what I check out in my
Ya.
cart?
Semua orang keep on cakap kat I, please Mel, check dulu, cakap.
I love it. Thank you so much.
welcome.
And I also got this. Ta-da!
Oh, cute.
Matchy.
It's
Is
so
it a
soft.
makeup pouch?
I love it. Thank you so much.
Love.
Last one. Last one. Okay, this is from Mel. Okay, last one. Let's see what I got.
Last one. I ada juga lah.
Oh, you got them?
Forgot about me.
Oh, tak cakap apa-apa pun. What is this? Is that a shirt? What does it say? Kiss me. It's my birthday. Wait, can I wear it on my birthday? Ta-da! I love it. Thank you so much.
Yay. Mama also ada.
Okay, Mama.
Dia punya.
Tu dah.
Kat depan. I got this one.
Wow, what is this? Is it a Lululemon gift card? What is this? Apa ni? Oh, headband eh? Yes. Wow, I got a headband for sports. Wow, I love it. Thank you so much.
Happy
Hello.
birthday.
Thank you, guys. I love all my free birthday presents.
Oh my god. Gula ATV lagi tau.
Alright guys, so we have arrived at Venture Park. This is our ATVs. Oh my god. And now we are signing our life away. Literally. It's so hot. It's so panas. And it was raining so heavily literally like 20 minutes ago. Hari ni tadi je risau hujan, sekarang risau panas hangat. Thank God I'm wearing long sleeve. Oh my god, I didn't bring sunscreen. So, I'm giving everyone a GoPro. Try just record whatever you can lah.
Okay.
Whatever you can. Mama is gonna get this on her neck. I'm gonna hold this camera. I don't know if I can hold this camera or not. Alright guys, so now we are waiting for our ATV to siap. Dia tengah basuh-basuh kan. Our ATV because it's covered with dirt. That means we're gonna be very dirty.
Alright.
If it's covered with dirt, right?
I'm not ready for this.
And then this one, we have to naik like individual punya ATV, so tak boleh macam belakang-belakang semua. Oh my god, we're on our own.
Okey, first dalam ATV ni pasti kita duduk tengah center dia. Jangan duduk belakang. Kita naik dia pastikan tengah dulu. Ni duduk center. Ya, kalau kita duduk belakang macam ni, kalau kita naik, go sila sikit, jalan terangkat, jalan
Hi, I want. Ta-da!
Balik, baby.
Oh, terbalik helmet kan?
Balik.
Okay, start.
Boleh.
Lagi tinggi. So Mel is stuck there. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going up. Okay. Hey. Oh my god, susah nak mampus. Susah nak mampus, okay?
Akak terus tekan je, jangan berhenti.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Go, go. Break. Break. Dah. Sangkut.
Astaghfirullahalazim. Astaghfirullahalazim. Ya Allah, ya Tuhan. Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahu Akbar.
Oh my god, me and Kak Farah asyik stuck je dari tadi. Now, there she is! Where she is? Mana dia? Oh my god. Are you okay? Okay? Susah kan? Okay, we got a situation here because the abang said kat depan tu it's a bit too scary. So like, he advised me to naik with him. But we still have Kak Farah at the back.
Oh. Sakit bontot aku.
You got this, Kak Farah! Oh my god, I'm so scared! Abang boleh terjatuh! I'm so scared!
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar.
How is it so far, Mami?
So terrible.
Susah kan?
Ah, nak mampus.
I macam 10 kali dah nak terjatuh. How are you?
Fun. I
Fun?
love it, yeah.
Oh my god, you're like the first one.
I know, I love it. It's so good, it's so fun. Jangan buat easier, this is harder.
Smile!
Lepas tu ya ambil 6 km which dah 3 km.
Kita baru 3
Lepas tu dia tumpang
Kita
orang.
tak dapat itu pun dia cakap.
Dia ambil 6 km, lepas tu dia tumpang orang. You know right?
Bukan, abang tu yang offer.
Cik.
Kan, abang yang cakap kan, tinggallah kat sini. Awak naik dengan saya.
Fun, it's so fun.
I mean, you so power.
Really?
Ya.
Shuffle kot.
You macam tak takut langsung.
I ikut dia je, dia go. Okay, go, let's go. Okay guys, so we are taking a break. Bang, I okay tak?
Okey. Semuanya ikut arahan, so kerja saya senanglah petang ni.
Ni apa jadi? You buat apa tu?
I don't know, lepas tu kan, tadi like tengah-tengah jalan, tiba-tiba I kena slam with ranting.
Oh my God.
Aduh. Lepas tu dia kata, sorry.
Mine was so fun, guys. I just went full speed ahead. I was like, alright, let's go. Let's go. All the way, woo! Can Mama do it? Mama berani tak?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya Allah, ya Tuhanku, tolonglah. Ya Allah, ya Tuhanku, tolonglah. Astaghfirullahalazim. Astaghfirullahalazim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah.
Mel, ni okey ke tak, Mel? Pasal duduk belakang, tak stress. I literally just duduk macam ni je, tak pegang apa-apa pun. Like Mel cakap, I have no fear in life. I love being adventurous.
Astaghfirullahalazim. Subhanallah. penat tapi dia macam I rasa balik lagi susah kot.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I almost died! What happened? Why you... I tak berani! It's too scary!
Ilahilazi la yaduru ma'asmihi syai'un sami'un alim. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Ya Allah ya Tuhan.
Suruh record abang, suruh record. Kak Yong terjatuh kat ATV dia. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. That was so hard, right? Whoa, 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 whoa. Tali.
Penat ya mungkin.
Are you okay? Tak apa, asalkan kita tak terbalik ATV.
Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, that was so scary, Syah. I almost died. I terbalik macam I ingatkan kaki ada sekat dah.
Okay guys, so we have arrived at the waterfall. Alhamdulillah, finally.
Alhamdulillah.
We're almost done, guys. We're almost done.
Guys, that's the waterfall.
Okay guys, so this is the waterfall. Confirm the air sejuk. So baru habis hujan.
Masuk ke?
Ya, air nak masuk. Oh my god guys, this is so cool. Literally natural water. Guys, I'm with the waterfall.
You got this, Mami. Ih, dapat kencing ni sedap ni.
Alright.
Oh my god. Sejuk. We did it, guys! Okay guys, we are done at the waterfall. Yes. Whoa. Back to ATV. I'm like soaking wet, guys. With the waterfall. I love waterfalls. Okay, guys, we are back at base camp. Did it, guys! We did it!
How was it?
It was so fun.
Will you come again?
Yes.
You?
I have no fear.
Yes, fun.
You
Fun,
have no
kan?
fear?
I have no fear. It was so fun.
Mami?
Bila dah balik tu kita dah get used to it. Kita dah tahu dah kan. Mula-mula je tu.
Sepatutnya macam Faya.
So scary.
Ah,
So
dia
scary.
Tak, you super power gitu. You macam,
Scary,
you
okay.
memang no fear.
No fear.
The whole time kan, I was looking for her tau macam. Walaupun I tak power, tapi I keep on looking for her. Dia kita.
Dia jaga I. Dia dah dapat.
Lepas tu sampai abang tu cakap macam ni tau. Dia tu tak payah jaga, dia power. I was like, oh.
Mine was so fun. I just ikut the abang because I was the first one kan. So I just like, kau je laju bawa laju gila weh.
Really?
Ya, so I pun kena bawa.
Gila weh.
Laju.
Dia kan?
Ya. Laju dia bawa. Dia tak tunggu orang, so I kena keep up dengan dia.
You suka lah laju kan?
Oh, love it. I macam, when I was doing fast, I sambil nyanyi lagi.
Baby, bunyi ayam. Buat yang macam mana you buat untuk video mama tu?
Oh my god guys, finally I am back with my main camera. Oh my god, that was so much fun. It was so different than the one that we went kat Janda Baik for the first time. I feel like this one was so much more scarier and more susah. Right guys?
Yeah, extreme. More extreme. So hard.
Right, so hard sampai ATV tergolek.
I know, right?
Sampai ni nak termati.
Weh, I swear. Lepas tu you tahu tak, ada satu tu, I almost nak jatuh dalam gaung. Kan,
Oh
kan?
my
Nampak
God.
tak yang that part?
Yeah.
Kayu, what's wrong with you,
I
Kayu?
don't know.
Wait, tapi memang the trail memang scary, man.
Yes, the trail memang very scary. But I'm so proud of myself for driving it by myself.
Ya, Aisyah laju gila weh. Dia ikut belakang je tu tau.
It was so much fun, seriously. But now we're gonna go makan. Who's hungry?
Me.
Same. I am like a 10 out of 10 hungry. It's so much fun. We have to go again. A harder one.
What do you mean this is dah takut
Dah dia ada ready. Tangan sampai merah-merah sakit weh.
Okay, wait, the next time main, I rasa kena pakai handy plus.
And the plus.
Sebab it's so sakit kan?
Ya. Sakit.
Mama? Best ba?
Best. Mama best.
Helmet you dah sengit dah.
Ya, sengit-sengit wala aku ke sini, ke sana, ke depan semua. Ya Allah, ya Tuhan. Tapi kalau kau you all footage I yang pakai this one mesti macam Allahu Akbar. Bum bam macam tu.
Okay, so the snacker box is very useful. Semua orang tengah makan. Orang lapar. Which one's your favourite?
Ni, coklat.
You like the chocolate, Kak Yong?
Mine is truffle.
Truffle chips, Mama?
I suka tempe dengan yang Fayaz tu.
You?
Whatever Kak Yung suami.
I like this and I like this, the gummy. These two is so good. Hey guys, so we are here at our dinner spot, Golek-Golek. Dah lah hari ni road kita macam semua macam ATV lah. Mama, muka Mama face macam nak ATV. Sampai abang cakap, serius sangat lah Kak ni. Serius sangat. Okay guys, so Abang Effie dah sampai. And I'm asking Kak Yong, if you know your husband well enough, anak siapa dia bawa?
I rasa dia bawa Leah.
Akif?
Akif maybe dengan Mama.
Oh, okay. So Leia bawa?
Yeah,
Okay, let's see.
I think so.
We're here at Golek-Golek. Hello. Hey. Hi.
Mana Leah? Leah tak ikut.
You're wrong. Macam mana Akif pula dengan dia?
It's a magic.
Magic. Kayak you're wrong. Ta-da. Wow. Yeah, it's so nice. Here. Okay, so these are all of the food that we have. Ni lah, all of it.
There's more, I think.
Oh my god, there's more?
Yeah.
Wow. We got ikan,
Asam pedas.
asam pedas. Then we got daging salai. And then we got udang sambal, ikan, sayur, telur, ayam. Oh my god, this is sotong. This sotong looks so good.
I know, right?
I think we need to get one more of this. Then telur and sayur. Ikan bakar. Wow. What is that?
Free birthday present.
Wow.
Buka dulu, Syah.
I'll open it now.
Now?
Yeah. So my. Oh
Mana? Guess first.
Is it a?
What do you think that box is?
I think it's a frame.
Alright, let's see. Let's see how you like it, man.
Oh, cantiknya the packaging.
Right? Show them the
Look.
So it's from Just Slay. What do you think I bought?
Sticker.
What do you think I bought from Just Slay?
Macam mana ni?
Maybe like a small carpet,
From Just
like a
Slay?
tufted carpet.
Alright, let's see.
Okay, tengok.
Open it. You like it?
Wow! That is so nice.
Yeah?
Oh my god, that is so cantik. Wow.
Pickle, baby. New pickle.
It's so light.
It's customized. I customized the design also. Look, as your initials.
Yeah.
Now you faham why I tak kasi you cakap also, right?
That is so cantik. What's this? Comes with a baju as well.
So they said they watched your video, so they said they gave one pickle outfit for you. I bought the pickle holder. I think they said, "Oh, is this for Cupcake Aisha?"
It's so nice. Thank you.
You
I
like it?
love it.
Best free birthday present
Best
ever.
free birthday present ever.
Kita semua tercampak, guys.
Jauh.
This is so nice. Okay guys, so we are going to eat all of the food. Alright guys, so I got nasi, telur, ikan, sayur, sotong and udang. Alright guys, so I just finished makan golek-golek. My favorite one is the ayam, the udang and the sotong. I really like it. Licin, habis, kenyang. What's your favorite?
The ikan.
The ikan is good, right? Yeah. I love the ikan.
I like the
Benda daging.
daging salai and ikan.
Yeah, because the daging salai, diorang cakap is very like smoky and you know, very salai. You?
I like ayam goreng.
The salai.
Salai.
Look,
I think they're very,
finish.
yeah, everything licin.
Asam.
Asam pedas je tak habis. Tapi lain semua licin. Thank you so much Kulit for having me here. The orange juice is very good. I had like 6 cups of orange juice. I approve. Oh my god guys. So I just got home. And like when I was out tadi, Nawal came over my house because I asked her to help me upload my day 1 punya video kan. And then she said, okay boleh. And then when she chow tu, she was like, by the way, check your fridge before you go up. And then I checked my fridge and look what she bought me. A freaking cake in a bowl suka dessert.
I'm so excited.
Oh my god! I was not expecting this at all. This will be the last thing I will expect her to get for me. Oh my god. Nawal, you the best ever!
I wonder how this tastes like. I wonder how this tastes like.
But the chocolate is a bit keras.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Bismillah.
The amount of time I've had this month, man, is actually crazy. This is so good. I can't explain to you how much it's like amazing. It's amazing.
Now the cake is so sedap.
Oh my god guys, I am so freaking tired. Like I'm not even kidding guys. Oh my god, my body is so tired and having like a headache because like the whole day the ATV macam bumpy kan, so macam like pop the whole day. Oh my god, but it was so much fun. I loved it so much. Like I felt so alive, you know, when I was riding the ATV, macam like no care in the world. Like I felt like I was free. It was so good. Off your phone for like a couple of hours with everyone, and then I don't know, I just really like it. Yeah, I had so much fun. I have no idea what I recorded, but I really did try. It was so hard this time because it was a single rider for everyone, so I could not hold the camera whilst driving. So whatever footage I got, dapat lah letak je lah kat dalam ni guys, honestly. But it was so hard. Like the trail was difficult, but I really had the most fun with everyone. This is the part where I don't like, you know, when the highs are just so high with everyone throughout the day, tapi bila dah malam, you just feel so lonely. Like you're alone already, and I don't want that. Like during the ATV, I was like, alah, I tak nak malam. Nanti malam sorang. You know what I mean? Like, cause you had such an amazing day today. Tapi bila malam dah rasa kesunyian. You faham tak? Can't be the only one. Like I didn't want it to end. Like the fun with everyone, just being there. Like I really actually lived in the moments tadi, and I think it's something that I will remember till the day that I die. It's so fun. I would so do this again, 100%. But thank you guys so much for following and being there with me. I'll see you guys tomorrow for birth week. Today was just a chill video, but I think tomorrow will be another high production video, and I think you guys are gonna love it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for birth week. Bye!